Nothing says the holiday season more than gingerbread. This gingerbread man garland is made out of felt and it's easy to make and is a fantastic decoration for your holiday season. So let me show you how to make it. For this project you will need gingerbread colored felt, red and white felt, a gingerbread man cookie cutter, a nickel, a pen, scissors, white fabric paint, monofilament, and a needle. To start the garland, you need to cut out all of the felt pieces that you will need. So trace around a small gingerbread cookie cutter onto a piece of felt and then cut it out. I like to double it up so that you can cut out two at once. Cut out as many gingerbread as you think you might need to make your garland. For a garland that's about 4 to 5 feet long, you'll need probably between 8 and 10 gingerbread men. Use a nickel to cut out red and white felt circles. You're going to use 3 to go in between each gingerbread man. Again, I like to cut these out as doubles just to save some time. Cut just inside the line so that you won't see it after it's cut out. Use the fabric paint to draw a face on your gingerbread man and add some buttons and a little bit of trim. This doesn't have to look particularly neat because it's supposed to mimic frosting, which never looks quite perfect. Do this for each one. Once your felt pieces are ready to go, cut monofilament as long as you need it to be for the garland, plus a little extra for hanging, and then thread your needle. Start with one of the red circles and just take a small stitch at the top and run the needle through until you get almost to the end of the monofilament, leaving some extra. And then just continue on with each piece. We're going to do a white one next, and you can even do more than one at a time. So I could do this white one and this red one at the same time, just to save some time. It's going to be hard at first to keep the monofilament from bunching up, but as you go along it will get easier. You want to check the spacing of your pieces. I keep them about 1/4 to 1/2 inch apart, but you can do whatever appeals to you. When we get to the gingerbread man, we're just going to take a tiny stitch at the very top of his head. For the next set of felt circles, then I'm going to start with the white this time and do a red and a white. So each set is opposite. Continue threading on your pieces until the garland is as long as you would like it to be. Once your gingerbread garland is done, it's time to hang on a mantle or in a window or to even decorate your holiday table. Please subscribe to my channel for more holidays ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss an episode.